Hello, my name is Malimi Joram Kazi. In this video, I'm going to show you how uh, teachers and instructors can use artificial intelligence, famously known as AI, to help them teach their classes. So I'll go ahead and share my screen and I'll show you. Okay, so I'm using ChatGPT 3.5. I think this is the free version of ChatGPT. You don't need to pay anything. So I wanted ChatGPT to write for me notes, lesson notes. So this is the prompt I provided to the ChatGPT. So it's like an instruction of what I want the IA model to do. Now, I think it really produced good notes about learning management system. So you see, it has the title, learning management system, and also, yeah, it provided the level of this lesson notes, master's degree level. So it is because in the prompt, I mentioned that these notes should be at the level of master's degree. And the IA system was able to highlight on that. And it produced really good notes, I think, which includes the definition of learning management systems. It also includes the purpose of learning management system. And it continues providing key components and features of a learning management system. It provided several components and features, and the system ChatGPT went on providing the benefits and advantages of using a learning management system, and also it provided the challenges and considerations for using or in implementing learning management system, which I think is good. Also, it included the emerging trends and the future directions of learning management systems. And it go on highlighting few ethical and legal constellations when using learning management systems. And it ended with providing things which you can include for a conclusion, which will include a recap of the significance of learning management system, and also the key considerations for selecting and implementing learning management systems. Now, I think this is good, but I wanted to provide more details regarding on what I want the ChatGPT to include in my notes. And I have created and prepared those instructions of what I want the ChatGPT to do. And I'm just going to paste it here, paste it down here, and see what the system will do. So this is a list of comprehensive things, actually. And I think of adding one thing here. Let me see. Okay. I'll also have the things which I have included here. So I wanted to write lesson notes in bullet points about learning management systems, and be sure to write notes at master's degree level, which will include the following: definition of the learning management system, types, key components, benefits and advantages, challenges, and consideration of using learning management system, emerging trends, ethical, which was mostly included in the previous production of the ChatGPT, but I added a few things, like I wanted to give citation and the reference list in APA 7th edition, which one of the things which I noted the ChatGPT did not include in the first notes the system produced is that it did not include examples. So this time I want the system to include at least 5 examples of popular learning management systems with logos. I want to see if the ChatGPT will follow that instruction as I wanted. And of course, I want to add one more thing here. This will be things to consider. Let me see if I can be consideration. Things to consider when selecting learning management system. Okay. Now I'm going to submit this by clicking this green button here at the bottom, and let us see what ChatGPT will produce. Will it follow all the instruction as I provided? Let us see. Good. All right. It is very fast. It is really fast writing. Okay. It is going very fast producing these notes as I wanted. All right, let us see if it included everything which I wanted. So yeah, that was the prompt. And this is what ChatGPT was able to produce. So it provided definition 1 and 2 as I wanted. It also listed the purpose of learning management system, types and logs of learning management system with example. It was not able to show the logos, the images, but it was able to list the popular learning management system. The first one is Canvas by Instructure. The second one is Moodle. Another one is OpenEdX. Another one is Sakai. And the last one is Blackboard Learn. Yeah, so the examples are there, although the pictures are not showing here. Okay, so key components. It included the key components there. Benefits are there. Challenges are here. Also, things to consider when selecting learning management system. Emerging trends. Okay, and ethical and legal considerations. Also conclusion. It did not write the conclusion, but it suggests that in your conclusion, include recap of significance of learning management system and emphasize the importance thoughtful selection. And it was not able to include APA reference list, but it says include relevant citation. So of course you need to find out which relevant citation you need to include. So I think that this tool is good. It's good for teachers, instructors. It can help to facilitate in preparing, for example, notes. I'm actually preparing this to teach one class somewhere. And I will just edit a few things here and I will be done with my lesson notes. I'll put them in PowerPoint slides. And this facilitates my preparation for teaching. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please click the thumb up to show that you like this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.